Keep this advice in mind for affiliate marketing. There are so many tips and pieces of advice that will help you in affiliate marketing. The first step in video marketing is finding those tips and finding ways to incorporate them into your marketing plan. The following video was written to help you accomplish the first step in affiliate marketing. Write an enhanced review about the affiliate product you are marketing and include screenshots, photographs, and videos. Most people will not buy a product before understanding exactly what it can do or seeing a demonstration which proves that the product lives up to its claims. An enhanced review can really inform a potential customer about the product, so it has the power to dramatically increase sales. While working on your current affiliate program, do not be afraid to start laying the groundwork for future endeavors. In your spare time, you can start coding up a new site, building new bridges to new bases, working on link exchanges with current friends, and much more. Just remember to take things slowly. Make sure that content on affiliate marketing websites are written in the proper language. If your site targets mostly visitors from the UK, have content written in the Queen's English. Also, make sure that word usage and sentence structure are correct. Content that is in badly written English turns potential customers away, especially UK customers. Many stay-at-home parents are using affiliate marketing to make extra money or as a second income. Blogging about products and getting their blog out to the public can really earn them a decent income. Having extra time between activities is just enough to make some extra cash. Now that you have the advice and the tips that are necessary to be successful in your affiliate marketing venture, you should be ready to make the tips work for you. Anytime you go to make a move, check to see if there are tips in this video that will help you make the most out of that move. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.